Constructor init function. Constructor init function. Init function is a built-in function in Python, and it's the constructor of the class. Constructor is called whenever a new object of the class is created, and it should be called only during creating the object. Self parameter in the init function refers to the instance or the object itself, and it's important to use it if you want to use a constructor in your class. Let's see how. Okay, first go to brackets. As you can see, we have our class person. Now I will show you how to use the constructor of the class. Type def underscore underscore init underscore underscore parenthesis self name age id number colon. Then self.name equal name, self.age equal age, self.id number equal id number or id num, whatever it is. Next, type our output function. Okay, now we are in the main of the program. To use the constructor of the class, create an object such as John equal person, parenthesis, quotation marks John, 33, and put any ID numbers. Alright, so during creating the object, we passed the arguments to the constructor of the class. Then type John the output function. After that, try that on terminal. Really nice. The constructor of the class works well. Thank you for watching.